Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another daily work from home job lead. Today we have one that is data entry, non-phone, in the healthcare field, and it is believed to be a very high-paying, well-paying data entry position. So we will just dive on in. Just know the links to everything shown in today's video is in the YouTube description box. But the healthcare company, Change Healthcare, is hiring a data integrity associate too. This is 100% remote work from home within the United States. Now, one thing to note right here, it says multiple locations. If you actually click on that, that is a hyperlink. A drop down box will come and it will show all the different states they hire. They hire within all of the United States, but I just want to show that. But they are looking for someone to enter data from a source document into a computer system, and then you'll verify those entries for accuracy and completeness. So you'll perform data entry and integrity tasks as needed. You'll identify any issues or trends and bring them to the attention of your manager. You'll work on special projects as assigned and any other duties as assigned. Now, they do not require any kind of college degree. They just require that you have a high school diploma or GED. They are looking for someone who has 2 years experience in data entry, someone who has knowledge of data entry, strong attention to detail, can work well with others, and is computer literate. Now, while this job posting does not list the salary, I did a little bit of research on their Glassdoor page, and I will have their Glassdoor page linked down below in case you want to go check out their reviews or anything else. I could not find a data integrity associate job title, but I did find data integrity specialist, and two different people have submitted their salaries for a data integrity specialist working with Change Healthcare. These are either previous former employees or current employees, and it says that they have made anywhere from $58,000 a year up to $61,000 a year. $61,000 a year would be about $29 an hour, $29.32 an hour, just to give you an estimate of what you can expect to make. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.